How I cloned myself. Using AI, step-by-step avatar guide. Ever wish you could clone yourself? Imagine having a digital version of you, an AI-powered avatar that looks, sounds, and even acts like you. With this AI clone, you could be in multiple places at once, creating content, handling presentations, and saving hours of time. In today's video, I'll walk you through how you can build your own AI avatar in just 10 minutes. No tech skills required, and you'll be able to see your digital twin come to life. Ready to start cloning yourself? Let's dive in. Section 1. Why an AI avatar? Unlock the benefits of self-cloning. Let's start with the big question. Why create an AI avatar? An avatar isn't just a novelty. It's a tool that can transform your content creation and boost productivity. Imagine recording just once, then having your avatar handle countless videos, social media content, and presentations without you needing to be on camera. With this digital twin, you're free to focus on new ideas while your avatar takes care of the rest. And here's the best part. You don't need any technical expertise. This process is so straightforward that anyone can do it in minutes. So, let's explore how to make your own digital self a reality. Section 2. Introducing HeyGen, the tool to create your avatar. To create our AI avatar, we're using an amazing tool called HeyGen. This platform stands out in the crowded world of AI for its simplicity and realism. It allows you to create an avatar that doesn't just look like you, but actually sounds like you too. HeyGen lets you customize everything: your avatar's facial features, expressions, and even clothing style. And the best part? You can try it for free. So, if you're ready, let's sign up for HeyGen together and get started on our avatar journey. Alright, once you're on HeyGen, you'll see how easy it is to navigate. They've designed the interface to be user-friendly so that even if this is your first time creating an avatar, you won't feel lost. Select the option to create a new avatar and let's get ready to bring your digital twin to life. Section 3. Setting up your avatar with your own video. Now comes the fun part, uploading your video to make sure your avatar looks and sounds like you. Head to the Avatar section in HeyGen, click on Create Avatar, and you'll be prompted to upload a short video of yourself. The key here is quality. The clearer your video and audio, the more lifelike your avatar will be. So here are a few quick tips for recording. First, lighting. Natural light works wonders, so try to position yourself near a window or in a well-lit room. Avoid shadows on your face. They can affect how accurately your avatar captures your features. Next, let's talk about sound. To make sure your avatar's voice sounds crisp, record in a quiet environment and if possible, use an external microphone. Speak clearly, as the AI will mimic every tone and intonation. Once your video is recorded, upload it to HeyGen and the AI will analyze it to create your avatar. Ready to see yourself come to life? Section 4. Customize your avatar's look and style. Now that we've got the basics down, let's add some personality. HeyGen offers a range of customization options so your avatar can reflect who you are. In the customization settings, you'll find controls for adjusting everything from eye shape to clothing style, giving you complete control over your avatar's appearance. Think of this as creating your digital twin that not only looks like you, but embodies your unique style and flair. Let's say you're creating an avatar for professional videos. You might want to dress it in formal attire. Or, if your avatar is for casual content, go for a more laid-back look. The goal here is authenticity. The more you the avatar feels, the more it'll resonate with your viewers. Once you're happy with how it looks, save it as a preset so you can use it anytime you create new content. Section 5. Perfecting your video and audio quality. When it comes to making an effective avatar, quality is everything. A well-lit, clear video helps the AI accurately capture your facial features and expressions, which are essential for creating a realistic clone. Aim for a video length of around 2 to 5 minutes. This gives the AI enough data to mimic your movements and speech patterns, but isn't too long to become tedious. Make sure your gestures and expressions feel natural. Small movements like nodding or raising your eyebrows help the AI capture the nuances of your personality. This makes your avatar not just a digital copy, but a lifelike representation that can engage your audience as effectively as you would in person. Section 6. Bringing your avatar to life. Uploading to HeyGen. Alright, now it's time to upload. Head over to the avatar section in HeyGen, click Upload Video, and select your file. Make sure it's an MP4 or MOV format, and remember to keep the file length between 2 to 5 minutes. This step is also when you'll complete a quick consent recording to confirm you're okay with using your likeness. It's simple but important. It protects your rights and lets HeyGen know you're on board. After uploading, HeyGen's I will start processing. This can take a few minutes, so sit back and relax. While it's working, think about how you might use this avatar. Whether it's social media content, tutorials, or presentations, your new digital self will soon be ready to step in whenever you need it. Section 7. Exploring HeyGen's free and paid plans. Now that your avatar is in place, let's talk about the different ways you can use HeyGen. For starters, they offer a free plan where you can create a basic avatar and try out essential features. It's perfect if you're just experimenting or want to see what an avatar can do for you. But if you're serious about using avatars regularly, upgrading to a paid plan unlocks advanced options like high-resolution outputs and multiple avatars. The paid options also give you priority support and enhanced customization features, which are great for content creators looking for a polished, professional look. Take a moment to explore these options and decide what level suits your needs best. Section 8. Putting your avatar to work. Creating content with your digital twin. Now that you have your avatar, it's time to put it to work. In HeyGen, you can input scripts that your avatar will read aloud, giving it a voice and making it come alive on screen. Just type your text, and HeyGen's I will generate a video of your avatar presenting your content. It's like recording a video, minus the camera, lights, and setup. If you're on the paid plan, you can remove watermarks to give your content a professional finish. For free users, don't worry. There are creative ways to minimize the watermark's visibility by using text overlays or editing effects. This way, your avatar videos will still look polished and engaging. So there you have it. In this video, we've gone through everything you need to create and use an AI avatar. We started with why avatars are a game changer, introduced you to HeyGen, and took you step by step from recording your video to customizing your digital twin. By now, you're ready to create high-quality content with your very own AI clone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with others who could benefit from an AI avatar. And if you create an avatar, drop the link in the comments. I'd love to check it out. Thanks for watching, and let's keep exploring the world of AI together.